Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you where you can find the Bounties board in Fish It Roblox. So there's a new Fish Bounties board in here in the new Kohana expansion. There is this update, um, Fish Bounties. The new bounty boards let you hunt specific fish and turn them in for rewards. And in here, I'm going to show you the exact location of the board because the bounty is the best way to earn 2 times or even 3 times the normal sale price for specific fish. Okay, so what you need to do, first I'm going to tell you that the board is inside the Kohana Island. So you can just sail out to the Kohana Island first to find out the kind of fish needed for the bounties. And this is where the bounties board is located. It's in front of the fish merchant. And as you guys can see, there are 3 types of bounties each times. And I think the 3 of them are located in a different location, like this one in the Pirate Cove. This one is in the Esoteric Depths, and last one is on the Fisherman Islands. So what you need to do here is just join or start the bounty, and after that you can fish you can try to fish the 3 of them, and you can go back to claim your rewards. So if you already got this 3, you can just go back to the board and claim your rewards. But you need to know there's a limited time here at the board. The time left is 11 hours, so you need to finish it before the time is up. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.